Have you ever needed that extra help on a homework assignment? Because the Kishwaukee College tutoring services can help you with that. The tutoring services can help you prepare for a test, take better notes, and even help you prepare for an assignment. They can also help you with plenty of other things. To locate them, all you want to do is go to your D2L page, and all you want to do is scroll down, and on the right hand side, you will find two tutoring services. The top one is where you get a tutor and you could for a certain class and you can meet them in person. And then the other one, the 24/7 one, it's pretty self-explanatory, but any time of the day if you're stuck on a problem or a homework assignment, then you can go to that and they will help you at any time. Personally, for me, I've used the academia one. I used it for my psychology class. We had this test where we had to memorize the parts of the brain, and one of my tutors helped me make flashcards, which helped me memorize the terms and ultimately got me a better grade on the test that I didn't expect to get. So, in the academia page, as you can see, you're going to have upcoming appointments, messages, and news. To make an appointment, all you want to do is go to New Appointment. And as you can see, it says which service are you trying to get help in. For this example, we are going to use the math lab, but as you can see, there is an in-person one at Kish, and there's also a Zoom one that you can attend. As you can see here at the bottom, it has all your courses that you are taking at Kish, which is very convenient and helps you find them really fast. I'm going to use my psychology one. And as you can see here, it says you can choose a specific tutor. So say you went with a tutor and you really liked him or her, you could find them again and get them again so that you have that chemistry. And then right here, you can pick which day of the week you would want to get tutored. And then on the bottom here, you can select your duration, either 30 minutes or you can go to an hour. And then it shows the people who are available for that day and what time they are. So let's just use this one for example. And personally, I like to put in the notes like what I'm trying to get help in. And so just so that he knows that. And then sometimes I attach the assignment if I have one. And then in the bottom here, it tells you what time you're going to go in, who you're doing it with, and when it is. In the other one, the 24/7 one, as you can see, you can either pick between connect or schedule. If you schedule a tutoring session, you could pick between all these people who have bachelors or even associates in many different majors like psychology, chemistry, physics. There's a ton of them. And as you can see, it has all their stuff over here for when they're available. And for Connect, you're able to pick which topic you would want to talk about and get help in, and you can pick which one you are in. And then you can either choose to go chat only or you can do chat with voice also. And same thing, I would also put in the question box what you're trying to get help in. Personally, the tutoring services are a very good thing, and I think all of you guys should use it. It will definitely help you get that extra help that you need in classes. And I know that whenever I moved to my university, we also use the D2L page, and it will help me realize where the tutoring services is and how it will help me throughout my college experience. And I know that when you get into a university, tests and quizzes are a lot harder, so you're going to need to study for them a lot.